Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm just going to show you a real simple video. This is going to be how to replace a battery on a Dyson SV12. Here's the model number. So your model number might be similar, and if so, then this is how you remove the battery to replace it. So all you're going to need is a Phillips #1 screwdriver, the screwdriver that has the finer tip head. So we're going to find one screw back here on the back of the handle. We're going to remove that one first. And then you're going to see two more screws right here, and we're going to take those out. Now the important thing is to notice that these screws are at angles. So you can see they actually line up with the angle of this support bracket here. So a lot of times people struggle with these screws because they're going perpendicular, and so it just doesn't grab, and so they have a hard time with that. So you have to go at the same angle as this section right here, and you will have a much easier time taking these screws out. Okay, and once you get the screws out, we're just gonna pull the battery straight out like that. And then go ahead and get your new battery, mark the date, and we're going to insert it just like that. And then we're just going to put the screws right back in the same exact way. Just remember in the angle that these screws are going in. And there you go. So give it a full charge and you're all set. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Have a great day.